Polarion 2013 delivers several major enhancements in the area of test management. QA teams can store and track results of every test step as well as every test case. Test managers can customize the semantics and presentation of test steps information. Excel import is extended to support importation of test cases with trackable test steps. Test steps can be executed offline and the results re-imported without modifying your actual test cases. Let's look briefly at each of these improvements. In Polarion 2012, you could log and track the results of executing entire test cases. In Polarion 2013, we've extended that capability to individual test steps. There's a new Test Steps custom field for test cases. Rather than writing up test steps in the test case description, test engineers now write up test steps in this new field. When executing test cases, testers can log the result of every test step, identifying precisely the point where any failure occurs, and they can track that in an automatically linked defect item. The Test Steps field is essentially a table, and each step is analogous to a row. The Test Steps topic of administration enables a test manager to define both the columns and the semantics of the Test Steps field. Common columns could be labeled step name or step title, step instruction or step description, and expected result or desired result, whatever is meaningful for the team. Once configured, a Test Steps table is created for every new test case. In a test specification live doc, you need to configure the work item presentation to show test steps in the work items you create. After that, each new test case will display a Test Steps table as soon as you save it. The same goes if you create test cases directly in the tracker. Create a new test case, and a Test Steps table appears in the Custom Fields section of the item. Polarion 2012 can import test cases defined in Microsoft Excel. In version 2013, Test Case Import also supports discrete test steps defined in Excel. In the Polarion portal, you use existing Excel import functionality with some new conditions to define import rules that recognize test steps contained in an imported workbook. In Polarion 2012, you can export a test run to Microsoft Excel, and external testers can execute test cases and log the overall result of the test cases in the exported file. A subsequent re-import operation updates the test cases in the Polarion portal. In Polarion 2013, we've refined this so that only test steps are exported to Excel and not the test cases they test. External testers execute the test steps and log their results in the Excel file as before, but no test case artifacts are involved in the export and re-import process, only test steps and results data. If you're new to Polarion, don't make the mistake of labeling it as a testing tool. While there are some nice manual and automated testing features, Polarion is really about test management, capturing the information about what functionality should be tested, what tests should be performed and how, and tracking the results of testing over time. The tools actually used in testing activity are really incidental, and Polarion can serve as the test hub for almost any testing tool out there, including the most popular test automation applications. Now, the reason we're wrapping up this video with these points is to let you know that we have a new free white paper that will show you how Polarion can help you leverage what you already have to improve testing and quality in your organization, and we invite you to check it out here. Hopefully by now, you're signed up for the Polarion 2013 Early Access program. If not, you can still sign up to get the latest news about new features, preview videos like this one, early access builds, and more. Thanks for taking time to check out what's coming in Polarion 2013.